Come in, officers. Mi casa is... never mind. Su casa probably ain't a dump like this, huh?
Okay, dann da ich sagen. Fragen wir noch mal, was es so was.
What you need, officers? You didn't come out here 'cause I'm popular.
Well, not only did you fail to mention that, you also made it sound like you barely knew Jessica.
Yeah, well, she blew by. You know, real quick like. Just wanted to ask me something about Will. Get a guy's perspective on the situation. That sort of thing. It was a surprise to see her, tell you the truth. If you can smoke it, or snort it, or stick it, I've sold it. But that's like past, you know, tense. I'm on parole, but you guys already know that. So, if you're really asking me if I sold to Jesse and or Will, my answer's no. I ain't the only dealer in town, right? But you guys already know that, too. Like I said, only way the guy's gonna fix it is with a gun to the head. And I'm already on probation as it is.
Seems like Will and Veronica have been rekindling their old spark.
Damn, I was wondering where I let that thing. Look, I snapped that photo, but I shouldn't have, 'cause it ain't my business. Will's gonna do what he's gonna do, right? And that's that. So I was just gonna leave it at that, know what I'm saying? I was gonna delete it as soon as I could remember where the hell I left that damn phone.
And what about the sent text message we found that said she's dangerous, don't risk it?
Okay, it's like this. Jessie wants to go all Oprah and talk to this puta about her possessive nature. And I think about it, and I text back, no, I don't think so. You know, she's kinda dangerous and all that.
Exactly how dangerous is she, Manny?
Alright, she ain't like dangerous, right? She's just straight out loco, that's all.
We're gonna need to take your phone.
No problem. Take what you need. Take it all, man. No, I mean seriously. If Veronica has anything to do with what happened to Jessie, then I want to help you guys do whatever you need to do to nail her. It is what it is, you know?
Does this mean anything to you?
Whoa, haven't seen that face in a while.
You worked for Beatrice Salazar. Is that right?
Beatrice Salazar? Who's that? You must have me mistaken for somebody else. Somebody with a death wish. That ain't me, my friend. I'll be like, you know, counting the seconds and stuff.
Veronica's been lying to us from the start. It's about time we got a warrant to search her place. Let's talk to Brass.
Okay, also auf zu Brass, damit wir einen Durchsuchungsbefehl kriegen für Veronikas Wohnung. Okay, und zwar brauchen wir das da.
What evidence do you have? If she's been lying about this, then what else is she lying about? Okay, I'll get you that warrant.
Können wir dann nochmal mit ihr reden?
All right, I'll set it up.
No, I told you before, Will and I are just friends. Very close friends.
So, wir haben einen Beweis dafür, dass es liegt, und zwar das Foto.
What the... Who took that? Look, it's just a kiss, that's all. A kiss between friends.
Ms. Carver, the truth is you've been lying to us from the start. Give me a reason why we shouldn't arrest you for obstruction right now.
Okay, the truth is, Will and I were getting closer again. But it was all because of Jessie. All her secrets and lies. They were pushing Will back to me. Honestly, I wasn't trying to manipulate anything. I really tried to do the right thing, I swear. But the heart wants what it wants.
Don't leave town.
I'm not going anywhere.
Ja, die Luft wird dünner. Können wir jetzt in der ihr Wohnung? Oder Zimmer, besser gesagt, die wohnen nämlich zusammen.
Okay, with the warrant for Veronica's room, the entire apartment is fair game for our search.
Ja, jetzt können wir das ganze Apartment untersuchen. Gut, davon waren wir schon. Da werden wir wahrscheinlich nichts mehr finden. Da hat jetzt einfach mal so sagen. Okay, jetzt, wo hat die ihr Zimmer? Und da liegt schon was, ich sehe was. Aber wir fangen von links so. Und dann haben wir...
A laptop power cable. But where's the laptop? Might give us some clues as to where the rest of the laptop is.
Okay, jetzt fehlt der Laptop. Können wir da rein? Nee. Gut, was liegt da? Ach, der Ohrring.
Looks like Jesse's missing earring. It's Nick. Hey, Nikki, I'm putting you on speaker.
Hey, I just got off the phone with an administrator over at Desert Palm Hospital. Veronica Carver said she got off work at 9 p.m. Well, according to the administrator, her shift actually ended at 7 p.m. Let me know if you need me to follow up.
Will do. Thanks.
Ach so, die hat schon früher Feierabend gemacht, also hat sie uns schon wieder belohnt. War's das? Oder gibt's noch mehr? Aha, da haben wir wieder was. Vielleicht ein Fingerabdruck. Natürlich.
Nice find. That print may tell us more about what that cable is from.
Okay, den werden wir gleich untersuchen. Dann haben wir den Ohrring noch.
That fiber doesn't look like anything from either Jesse's car or Veronica's room.
Und da haben wir braune Faser vom Ohrring gefunden. Und das da jetzt einfach mal untersuchen. Da sind wir nämlich fertig. So, für den Fingerabdruck gehen wir wie immer da rein. So, schauen wir mal, wem der kehrt. Und der kehrt.
Looks like Manny used the power cable at some point. Why would he charge his laptop in Veronica's room?
Der Fingerabdruck kehrt zum Manny. Okay. Jetzt haben wir die Faser müssen wir untersuchen. Na halt, die Faser können wir da herum untersuchen. Unter dem Mikroskop. Tja. Können wir aber eigentlich gar nicht zuordnen. Nicht wirklich. Gut. Dann, wo gehen wir dann hin? Zu Manny. Jetzt haben wir schon wieder Post. Ob das fehlende Morphium ist? Wieder sagen, ja.
Is that a serious question? I don't know. Maybe I was charging it last time I was over there. Who knows?
Okay, is that your story and you're sticking to it?
Okay, bye.
Können wir uns da umschauen? Wahrscheinlich nicht. Oder? Ach, da ist er doch.
Hang on, we can't take that until we've got a warrant.
Gut, wir brauchen erst einmal einen Durchsuchungsbefehl, weil sonst geht da gar nichts. Tja, können wir mit dem reden?
All right. I'll set it up.
I told you, we haven't been together in a long time.
Natürlich wieder eine Lüge.
Where the hell did you get that?
Your bro, Manny Molina's took it. Now, do you want to tell us what's going on between you and your high school sweetheart?
You guys really are a piece of work, you know that? Veronica and I were sleeping together. Is that what you want to know? Well, there you have it. That still has nothing to do with what happened to Jesse.
Gut, das hat er schon mal zugegeben. Dass er was mit der Veronika gehabt hat. Aber das bringt uns auch nicht weiter.
All right. I'll set it up.
Excuse me, but what the hell kind of question is that? Jesse always went to the car wash alone.
War schon wieder Lüge.
Veronica, how did Jessica's earring make it back to your room?
I have no idea how it got there.
Miss Carver, when you gave your initial statement to us, you said you finished your shift at 9 p.m. But when we checked with the hospital, they said you actually finished your work at 7 p.m.
I don't know. Maybe it was around 7. Look, I don't remember. Jesse was dead. I was in shock.
You had access to the morphine from the hospital, and you had access to the cocaine from Will, and you wanted Jessica out of Will's life once and for all.
I couldn't have killed Jesse. I was with Will, okay? We were in bed together. Please, just ask Will. I might not be an angel, but I'm no killer either.
Do you usually let Manny charge his laptop in your room?
Manny? If he has a laptop, I don't know anything about it. The only laptop in my room is Jesse's. I'll admit it, I was snooping. I wanted to find out what she was obsessing about. But I couldn't get into any of her files. There was some kind of password or something.
Sounds like we need to have another talk with Manny.
Don't leave town.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, wir müssen uns also nochmal mit Manny unterhalten.
We just want to ask him some more questions.
Well, believe it or not, even though he's on parole, we can't necessarily just bring him in whenever we feel like it. Have you tried talking to him at his place?
Ach so. Ja, dann suchen wir ihn heute daheim. So, Manny, was sagt der jetzt zu dem Laptop? Was gibt's denn jetzt schon wieder? Was? Der Zeitungsausschnitt mit einer schwangeren Beatrice Salazar ist eine Bombe? Okay. Darum können wir uns später kümmern. Weil wir jetzt am Manny fragen, wegen dem Laptop.
Yeah, it is.
She also said it should still be in her room. Are you sure that laptop belongs to you, Manny?
Look, Will asked me to pick it up, bring it over to my place. So maybe he didn't tell Veronica about it. And now I'm like, I don't want to really dime out my bro, but there it is.
I think it's about time we took a look at that laptop everyone seems so interested in. Let's ask Brass for a search warrant.
Okay, bye.
So, gibt's jetzt? Gibt's, gut. Das heißt, wieder zu Brass Büro.
What do you got in the way of evidence? It would certainly be interesting to see what's on that laptop, especially if it belonged to Miss Marnier.
Haben wir denn jetzt? Ziel aktualisiert, gut. Dann gehen wir halt
Doesn't look
nochmal.
like Manny's around, but the search warrant still applies.
Ach, plötzlich ist er nicht mehr da. Umso besser. Dann können wir uns nämlich in Ruhe umschauen.
Something's causing that leaking. Let's see just how full of crap Manny is.
Wahrscheinlich wäre der Kokain im Kloverstecker.
Well, that could have been a lot worse.
Was ist das?
Looks like a worker's glove. Why would Manny try to flush that?
Ein Arbeitshandschuh im Klo? Achso. Gut, das war's dann schon, oder? Und der hat... Der schaut auch braun aus, ne? Wie die Faser. Das Blatt hat sie also noch wenden. Vielleicht ist doch die Veronika gar nicht der Mörder.
It's the same model of laptop as the cable we found in Veronica's room. Jessica Marnier's infamous laptop. Let's get this back to the lab.
Und das war jetzt eindeutige Schleichwerbung.